Hey everyone, welcome to the future of AI. Want to take your music videos from ordinary to viral in just a few minutes? Let me show you how. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your music videos with some mind-blowing editing techniques. All thanks to Filmora 14's powerful tools. Trust me, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have effects so cool, they'll look like they came straight out of a professional studio. Let's get started. Let me show you how to create this kind of effect. I've dragged 3 different music videos onto the timeline. These can be sourced from stock media or your own footage. The first step is to use Filmora's AI Portrait Cutout feature to remove the background from each video. This tool automatically detects and removes the background smoothly, without requiring a green screen. Apply this feature to all 3 videos. Now arrange the videos to make it look like all the dancers are performing together. Drag the second video over the first, the third over the second. Now adjust their positions to ensure the dancers don't overlap, creating a cohesive frame. Trim or extend the videos to match their duration. Next, add a dynamic background. Go to stock media and search for a neon background. Choose a vibrant option and place it on the timeline below all the videos. This creates an engaging stage for the dancers. Now enhance the video with effects. In the AI Portrait Cutout section, apply the flashing effect to add energy. There are also other neon effects that you can add, then adjust its intensity. Finally, go to the Effects section, search for Anime Overlay 2 and apply it to the timeline for an artistic touch. Decrease its opacity a little. I'll change the background here as I'm liking this one more. Now if you want to give a neonic touch to the video, then go to the Body Effects section, then Neon Lines. And here you will find a lot of neon effects that you can use. I'll add this blue fire surround effect. Now let's export the video and check our final result. Now let's move to our next effect, the cloning effect. Create a new project and import your music video onto the timeline. Move the playhead 10 frames forward from the start, then go to the Effects section. Search for the clone effect under Body Effects and apply the human clone effect at this position. Drag the clone effect forward so it lasts until 2 to 3 seconds before the video ends. To create a smooth transition, go to the Neon Lines section and add the light dissolving effect just before the cloning segment. You can also explore other neon effects to enhance the transition further. Let's export and play our final result. Amazing! Now, our next effect is the Vortex ring effect. Start by dragging your video onto the timeline and duplicating it. Place the duplicated video above the original. For the duplicated video, go to AI Tools and turn on the AI Portrait Cutout to remove the background. Then apply the neon dancing effect to this video and decrease the radius. Customize the neon color to your preference. For the original video below, go to the Effects section, search for the Vortex ring effect and apply it. Adjust the speed and color of the effect as needed. Now let's export and play our final video. Such a cool effect. Now let's move to another amazing effect, the spin rebound effect. Drag your video onto the timeline. Go to the Effects section and search for Spin Rebound. Apply this effect to the video. Next, search for the one-way movement effect and drag it onto the timeline above the video. Place this effect at a key transition point to add a smooth and stylish movement. To make the video more dynamic, explore adding neon or lightning effects in between segments. Let's play and check the final result. Wow guys, this came out so good. It's incredible how Filmora does all the heavy lifting for you. No manual tweaking, just smooth, seamless effects every time. I'm loving it. Finally, let's create the flicker effect. Import your video onto the timeline and go to the effects section. Search for flicker jitter. Drag it onto the video and adjust the settings. Set the speed to 22, strength to 32, and glow to 36. You can tweak these settings as per your preference. Now, search for Shake Glow and apply it above the video on the timeline. This combination creates a jittery glowing effect that pairs perfectly with beat-heavy music. Adjust the speed and glow slightly to match your style. To enhance this further, go to the Body Effects section and explore the neon lines options. These effects automatically detect the subject's body in the video and apply effects precisely. For example, you can add a laser eye effect toward the end of the video for a bold finish. Finally, for a smooth ending, go to the Transition section, choose Fade and Dissolve at the end. This provides a polished fade-out effect as the video ends. Now let's export the final video and check it out. And there you have it. These effects are more than just flashy visuals. They completely transform the vibe of your videos, making them more engaging, professional, and unforgettable. The right effects can turn a simple video into a story that captures attention and holds it. What makes it even better is how effortless Filmora makes this process. From AI-powered tools to customizable effects, it's like having a professional editing studio at your fingertips. You don't need to be an expert. Filmora does the heavy lifting for you, so why wait? Check out the link in the description to download Filmora and start creating magic today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Let me know in the comments what you think and which effect you will try first. Keep creating and I'll see you in the next video.